Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Redmi Note 12s. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just restart Bluetooth connection. So switch it off and switch it on again. After that you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button for a few seconds and choose reboot. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works. So, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode. How to do it, you will find the manual to your device, maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it, how to activate the pair mode in your Bluetooth accessory. And be sure that the gadget is visible for the devices but still not for your phone. Go to the settings, look for the connection sharing, and now just slide down to the Reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. So just tap on it, click Reset Settings, click OK, and after that look for your device again. The next tip for me, check your system updates. So go to the phone, tap on the MIUI version, and if you have any update, tap on the check for the updates. If you have any, just install it and look for the device again. And the last recommendation for me, check your phone and your Bluetooth accessory on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.